PartnerStack offers a powerful suite of tools to automate affiliate marketing processes and streamline your partner programs. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to leverage PartnerStack's affiliate automation features, whether you're just starting or looking to improve your workflow. Right off the bat, PartnerStack allows you to easily create and manage an affiliate program. The automation features help reduce manual work and ensure that your partners are paid on time without hassle. You can start automating your affiliate program for free with the exclusive link below, where you'll also get our bonuses to make your setup even smoother. One of the key automation features is the ability to automatically track affiliate referrals. When someone joins your affiliate program, PartnerStack automatically records their activity and tracks conversions, ensuring affiliates get paid for every successful referral. This automation minimizes human error, saving you tons of time. No need for spreadsheets or manually verifying transactions. PartnerStack handles that for you. Then there's the automated payout system. Instead of dealing with each affiliate individually, PartnerStack automates the process. Once a sale is confirmed, PartnerStack processes the payment to the affiliate, so you never have to chase payments or worry about missing deadlines. This gives both you and your affiliates peace of mind. Managing affiliate commissions is also a breeze with PartnerStack. You can set up custom commission structures depending on the affiliate's performance, whether you want to offer a flat rate or a percentage. The automation ensures that affiliates are rewarded correctly based on the structure you set, without you needing to adjust it manually each time. Another useful feature is the automated onboarding process for new affiliates. As soon as someone joins your program, they receive automated emails with everything they need to get started, tutorials, links, and tips for maximizing earnings. This ensures affiliates are up to speed quickly, and you don't have to manually send them information. For advanced automation, PartnerStack allows integrations with a variety of CRM and marketing tools. This means you can sync your affiliate data with your existing business systems to improve reporting and analyze performance. The seamless integration saves you time and makes managing your affiliate program even more efficient. So why use PartnerStack's affiliate automation features? It's simple. The software reduces the time you spend managing your affiliate program, it provides accurate tracking and payments, and it ensures a smooth onboarding experience for new affiliates. If you're serious about scaling your affiliate program, these automation features can help you achieve that. At the end of the day, the goal is to set up your affiliate program so that it runs like clockwork. And PartnerStack's automation features do just that. By using these features, you free up your time to focus on growing your business while the software handles all the repetitive tasks. Don't forget, check out the exclusive link below for access to a free trial with extended bonuses. PartnerStack's affiliate automation features can save you a ton of time and effort while helping your affiliate program grow efficiently. Make sure to grab that free trial and start automating your program today.